guys, I'm Jason from the manager. I'm here to take you on today's tutorial on how to create a database on your cPanel account. So I already assumed you already logged into your cPanel account. So the first thing you need to do is scroll down to your database section. So click on MySQL Manager. Then it will take you to this page in which you will see all the database you created and used. So for today's lesson, we're creating a new database. So click on Add Databases. Then click on a default name you wish to use, but for today's lesson, I'm using my own very name. So click on Save. That's it. You successfully created a database. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video for more tips. Thank you.